Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's class, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful baby booty. It's actually a baby girl shoe. It's so beautiful and I really want to share the process with you. Look at how beautiful it is. So I'll be using the second leg to make this tutorial because it's the same exact way as the first and second leg. Actually, I have tutorials for the sole and the body. So after making the body, I will be showing you how to make the design. For my previous tutorial for the basic of the baby shoe, this is actually where I stopped. So after making something like this, you can definitely make any design of your choice on it. Hope you understand. So from this side, this level, I'm going to show you how to make it. So I use 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, just like I use for making this main body. I use 2 strands of yeye yarn. So after getting to this level, remember that you can work with any pattern of your choice, but the process of the design is same thing. So make chain 2. I slip stitch and I'll be making chain 2. 1 2, excuse me, 2. So I'll be making 1 double crochet round the stitches, 1 double crochet on each of the stitches round. Slip stitch into this first stitch, chain 2. Now on the next row, we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be crocheting on the back loop only. As you can see that we have 2 loops, the front and the back. So I'll be crocheting right in the back loop only, like this. So this I'll be working till I get to the last stitch on the back loop only. So I'll be working on this remaining loop later. So I'll be doing this for 2 rounds. This is the first round and I'll be working another round of back loop only. Slip stitch into this first stitch, chain 2. So again, we're going to be working on the back loop. So we worked 2 rounds of back loop only. So next is to slip stitch on the very first stitch, chain 1, and cut off our yarn. So we are done with the pink color that I cut off. So right now I want to work this ruffle part. So working with a single strand, we're working with a single strand and the same 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. Make your slip knot. Now we are going to be working in this direction. I want to work into this loop. Look at how I placed my shoe and how I inserted my hook. Make chain 2 in each of the stitches round. We're going to be making 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet. I'm working over this extra yarn so I can just cut it off once I'm done. So I'll continue working these 3 double crochet in each of the loops round, in each of this loop round, till I get to this last stitch. So this is the last stitch. Slip stitch into this first stitch, chain 2. Now you're going to be making 2 double crochet in each of the stitches round, 2 double crochet in each and every of the stitches. So I'm making 2 double crochet in each of the stitches round. So you are going to be making exactly what we make here on this second loop. That is the second round, this round. We're going to be making this exact thing. So I'm just making just these 2 rounds of double crochets. So 2 double crochet, and when you get to this point you slip stitch and cut off your yarn and move to this stitch and make exactly the same thing. So we are going to be weaving in all this end. We are going to be weaving them in. So the next and last part is we are going to be highlighting our booty round. To highlight our booty, I'll make a slip knot, and with my booty facing me, I will insert my hook into this stitch. Remember, when we are working the sole, we worked back loop only, so the second loop is where we are going to be working right now. chain 1. So to the next stitch, slip stitch and make chain 1, slip stitch and make chain 1. Make a slip stitch, chain 1. So this is how you continue working till you get to the last stitch. Don't make it too tight and don't make it too loose. And slip stitch into this first stitch we started our slip stitch from, chain 1, cut off your yarn. So gently insert your hook into this stitch and bring out this loop and tie. Thanks for watching this video to the end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So we are going to weave in all these excess ends. See you in my next video. Bye.